Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a prompt link from Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Google AI Studio dashboard, click here on chat, and let's run an example prompt. We'll do this one right here. Who is the creator of AI in 100 words? Okay, I'll click here on run, and then what you need to do once it is running, make sure that you save the prompt. You click on these three dots right here, click on save prompt, and you can give it a name and a description. But usually once it is done running, okay, if you come here, click on these three dots, it should be automatically saved. So as you can see, it is saving to drive, and once it is done saving, you get this icon appearing. It's share prompt. Okay, click on this, and then what you do is you come here, you change the access, right? You can of course go ahead and put in their email, or you can change this from restricted to anyone with the link, and then just copy the link and send it over to them. And that is how to share a prompt link from Google AI Studio.